What is up, peeps? Tech Vet Travis here, and we just received our package from FedEx that I've been waiting on since Wednesday. So what is in this package? It is the MacBook Pro 16, and we're about to just do a quick unboxing, get this package open so I can see what's inside. All right, got our handy dandy knife. Wow, I just pulled that out like a ninja, kind of. We don't want to damage any goods. Oh, almost sliced myself. Damage any goods on the inside, because this is where the goodie is. Are you ready? Oh my God, this thing is heavy. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. Okay guys, here it is, the MacBook Pro 16-inch. This is i7 model, 16 gigabytes, 512, or 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabyte solid state drive. Oh my, I cannot wait. So we're gonna get the box open here. Just back, slide that. My, this box is heavy. All right. Whew. There it is. So I got the Space Gray edition, as you can see. Oh man, this thing looks monstrous compared to, it's 4 pounds heavy. It was way thicker than the previous one. So inside the box, you have the standard USB Type-C connector for the charge, as well as the also welcome design by Apple in California that comes in every single Apple box. And then the actual charger base. So it'd be nice if Apple can actually, in the future, when they make these charger bases, if they can make them with multiple USB Type-C ports. I would say 2 would be good, 3 would be amazing, so you can charge multiple things off of one of these devices. But you guys, this has been the unboxing of the MacBook Pro 16 edition. Once I get a better look at the product and get a better understanding of it, because I had the 13-inch since 2017. I've never had one with a touch bar. So getting used to this thing is gonna be something, but I'm actually gonna get the plastic off to show you the internals before I leave you guys today, just to see. Oh my God, look at that. I don't wanna mishandle it in any way. That thing is a beaut. Here it comes. Oh, nope. Wow. That trackpad is massive. So I just opened it and then the MacBook just cut on by itself, which is crazy. But there it is, the 16-inch MacBook Pro, which apparently is magical because once you open the package, it cuts on by itself. That is crazy. Can't wait to give you guys a overview video of the MacBook Pro 16. But until then, you guys stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up for this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.